Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Lesson 6. This is your last assignment in summer school. So this is all about maps, charts, and graphs. How can you read them, and what can they tell you, and what can you infer? What can you kind of notice? If you notice, like here, this is about population. This is about immigration. You can see the darker the more concentrated the people. If you notice, you can see that most of the immigrants are near the valley, which would make sense. It's near Mexico, and in some of the major metropolitan areas. Those are areas. And if you think about it, what kind of jobs could a person get either in the valley or in a major metropolitan area? Okay, if you look at this, you can see that the several of the ethnic groups are rising in the amount of population that they have, and you can make some inferences based on what might happen down the road. Okay, another thing you can look at is in education. You can look at this chart and see that our rating has gone from 25th to their project 40th. And if you're trying to figure out, well, why might that be? If you look at how much Texas is spending and how much the U.S. is spending, that might give you a clue. Also, I want to point out that anytime you see numbers in parentheses, that means negative. So the fact, for example, if you look on your packet, if this is backwards on yours, if on the video it's backwards, in 1999, Texas spent $5,970. The U.S. spent $6,251 per student, which was a deficit of $281. By the time 2005 rolled around, the Texas was spending $1,500 less per student, which might have something to do with the dropping numbers in rank. Okay, you can see about climate control and drought conditions, where people, where energy sources are located. You think about that. Also, this has to do with income and wage. And you can see the difference between high school and college, the type of income a person would be. This has to do with a commodity. A commodity is something a person trades, okay? So you've got various commodities here. Those are things people trade. Down here at the bottom, these are where do we export a lot of things. And the question is, why do you think we export to Canada and Mexico? Okay? And those are some various things that I would like you to think about and to answer. Please make sure you go through your packet before you turn it in. Make sure your name is on it. Make sure your grade and your school is on it. Please make sure my name is on it, Gamino, so that I get your packet back and I can grade it accordingly. You've done too much work to not get credit for it. Also, please make sure you turn it in by Friday, June 12th, to make sure that you get credit for your time and effort that you have spent in summer school. I look forward to seeing you in the halls of Bonham or wherever you are going to school. Please, please give it your best effort. Go back through that packet and make sure you did not forget to do a page. I want to mark you proficient. So work hard and good luck.